so we're going to go ahead and get right into it. This real quick, real easy wig install sponsored and provided by Wiggins Hair. They sent me a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig in the length 16 inches in the texture curly, okay? And as you can see, this wig came ready to wear right out the box, so we can jump right into the install process. So first, I'm just slicking my hairline back so none of those stray hairs and baby hairs get into the way. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put on my stocking cap. Now, I'm not doing the ball cap method because, in my opinion, with some wigs, it's not always necessary. But I am taking this lace tint spray and spraying it all over the cap so that it matches better with my skin tone. And then I'm also going to spray that lace tint spray on the lace and wig as well so that it matches better with my skin tone. And of course, you cannot forget to clean your hairline, especially if you have on makeup and even if you don't have on makeup. And I just use alcohol for that, and that just helps strip the area of those natural oils or clean anything that's on your skin off so that your wig can stick nice and good to your skin. Now, as y'all can clearly already see by the video, the hairline is getting, okay? And it already looks so flush with my skin. You really don't have to apply this wig with any type of adhesive if you don't want to, but I've really been into the spray lately, so I'm going to apply mine with spray. I'm not doing glueless this time. So I am using the spray by Wig Dealer just because I have really been enjoying it lately. I feel like it leaves less of a white cast, and in some areas I'm going to spray it directly over the lace, and then other times I'm going to spray it directly on my skin, and then of course I'm going to press down and I'm going to give it a good blow dry so it sets in place. And I just love a good hairline moment on a wig. Like, I'm going to be honest with y'all, okay? If the wig doesn't come pre-plucked or pre-bleached, I ain't wearing it. I'm not wearing it because I'm past the point of doing all that work, okay? I don't want to do it. If the company is going to do it for me, I'm going to let the company do it for me. And they did a damn good job, okay? The hairline looked nice and natural. The knots weren't over bleached. They weren't under bleached. They were perfect. Now, right now, the hairline is giving shiny, okay? It's looking real shiny. But once I add that styling foam, it's all gonna come together. You just have to trust the process. So first I'm gonna get my baby hairs together before I tie the hairline down. And that's just because that's my business, okay? I have baby hairs in real life. So 9 times out of 10, okay, maybe 8 times out of 10, I'm gonna add baby hairs to my wig, okay? Because I'm gonna lay my baby hairs out when I don't have a wig. So now I'm just going in with the best styling foam there is, setting foam, and I'm gonna apply that to the hairline. Now, I always mention this. Make sure you are putting setting foam, okay, or wrapping foam, not mousse, on your wig, or otherwise everything is gonna slip and slide, okay? Now, when it comes to the hair, not the lace, that is the time to use mousse, okay? Or curl mousse, whatever you wanna call it. So this is gonna have your curls popping, okay? My favorites to use are Design Essentials. I also like Shea Moisture. So I go in with the mousse first, then I go in with water, then I go in with the Demon brush, and that is just like a chef's kiss combination in order to do things to have like really defined, juicy, popping curls. And then of course, if you are pressed for time, like I usually am, and you don't want your curls to get really frizzy, or you don't have time to let them air dry, you can go in and use a diffuser. So that is what I did to speed up the drying process. And then I went in again at the very end and just used my ionic blow dryer to speed up the process. So if you're using a regular blow dryer and you don't want your curls to get frizzy, you just want to be mindful and take care while you are blow drying your hair. So once I'm finished with the blow drying process, of course, it's time to take off the band, and oof, just look, y'all, look how everything came together. And look, y'all, I mean, first of all, let's get into how seamless it looks. Like, that's HD lace, number one. And then number two, that spray that I use, that lace tint spray, like, it is the best thing I've ever found. I don't need foundation anymore. I don't need to go in with any of that. Like, it is perfect for my skin tone. Now I'm just gonna add a couple of layers in, a little shape to the wig so that it's giving what I want it to give. And that is the completed look, y'all. And I can't say it enough how the wigs that come ready, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, those are my favorite because you really can achieve professional results. Like, as a beginner, you can achieve professional results and you're not a professional. So that is the finished look. I'll put all the details about this wig below. Of course, let me know if you have any questions. But other than that, thanks so much for watching, and until next time.